collapse. And I hit the ground, broke my ankle, broke my back. Doctors told me I was a quadriplegic. They said that it would get worse and it was permanent and that I just needed to accept it.
At Reed's lowest point, he discovers a new mission.
When I was in the hospital, a friend of mine gave me a copy of Robert Heinlein's Starship Troopers. When I discovered this idea of this powered suit in this book, it was an answer to prayer. I thought, man, if I could build a lightweight version of this that could lift 175 pounds, then I would be able to walk and get my life back, and that's where I got the inspiration for the life suit.
After his accident, Monty Reed struggles to beat the odds. He regains limited mobility and founds They Shall Walk.
They Shall Walk is a nonprofit medical research company that is committed to developing technology that improves the quality of life, giving paralyzed people the gift of walking. Our primary project is called the LifeSuit Robotic Exoskeleton. It's a two-legged walking, balancing robot that allows paralyzed people to walk.
Monty Reed has been developing robotic exoskeletons at his Seattle lab for over a decade.
When nobody's looking, I'll come sneak into the lab when I'm having a bad day, fire it up and go for a walk, and it's great. In the future, it'll be automated, so an individual paralyzed person will be able to park their chair and climb in and get going.
Reed's current LifeSuit model, Prototype 13, weighs 75 pounds and is driven by compressed air. The suit's user does not power its movements. Robotic legs do all the work.
So once we turn that on, then the air flows into the manifold and it starts getting distributed down to the controllers. And there's an individual controller for each leg. When I push the trigger, it straightens the legs. When I let off, then the legs can bend with gravity, and then there's a center position on each of the switches that actually keeps it parked. So. I have to say, when I'm in the life suit, I do feel superhuman. Originally, I did want to call it the Heinlein suit, and it's because I give Robert Heinlein credit for inventing it. He wrote about it. All I did was built it. He called it science fiction, but I don't call it science fiction. I call it a science prophecy.
Reed hopes a more refined version of LifeSuit will someday give many people back freedom of mobility.
It will be a game changer. We have a hospital lined up that's ready. They have thousands of patients ready to get in the machine. The patient's gonna smile, and then they'll push a button, and the suit will stand up, and they shall walk. Beautiful day for a walk.